Hello guys, you're welcome. Uh, this is our second lecture on Atlantis. So, so let's go on. We'll be going on. We showed in our last lecture how to import your 3D drawing to Atlantis. So this is what we got. So let's go to shader. So we'll teach you how to use this shader. So you come here, you click. You can see when you click on this, it will show you stone marble. This is what we use in. When you click on this place, you can see show you stone marble here. Look at my arrow, it's the stone marble black. This is what we use in ArchiCAD. This is the name of what we use in ArchiCAD. So if you want to change this material, it's very easy. If you have anything, if you have any material to change here, maybe you just want to change it. Maybe you want to change it to whatever tiles you want. Let's go here. This for wall. This wall. This is for floor. Okay. So this exterior. Okay. So this you want to change it to anything, maybe to this. Maybe you want to change that material to this. What you just do, you just click on it and draw. Just bring it here, place it. Then you have changed this material. You have changed this ArchiCAD material to this. You can see it. You have changed it to this. So that's it. That is if you want to, you know. That's it. You can see. So let's and maybe if you don't like the color and you want to increase the color, you just, as you still click on it, you can go here. Click good. Just click on the highlight this and come here. Maybe you want to darken it more, you can still darken it more, or you put it to another color or whatever color you want to make it look like. So this is how to change your material. You can see it. So when you have gotten this and maybe you want to make it to reflect, you can click here and just go here and it will reflect. You can see it is reflecting now. You can see that the wall here is reflecting to this place. So you are making it reflect. So but let's move it. That is not what we want. Let's a little bit. You can see when you put it out low, it shows a little. When you put it at none, it will not highlight at all. So this is basically how to use your shader to change your material. So maybe you really don't want to change. You don't want to change the material. You want to use the same material you bring in. Let's go here, and maybe we go here and we say this is the grass. You just want to change the grass. You don't want to use any material here. Let's go and see if we have any material of nature that is like grass, plants. Let's go to plant and see if we have. Okay, now, okay, let's go here. Okay, look at grass here. This is grass. You see it. this grass, this water, and the rest. But if you don't want to use any of this, maybe you just want to change the color of this grass, you just click here. If there is no need, immediately you click here, you check here, you will see it highlight to make sure you are highlighting exactly what you want to change. You come here and you just see it. Then you click here and you want to change the color to a darker green. So you just so this is it. You can see it. You can see how it is. So this is basically how to do it. Then maybe this you want to make it to be blonde. You just go to medium and you check it and you see what it looks like. If you like it this way, you continue with it. If you don't like it this way, maybe you don't want it this way, just put clear. Just you play with it and know what to do. This is displacement. Let's go here and see what it means. Say no. Okay. You can see basically this is how to do it. So you play with it, play with your shader, know what to do and know how it suits you. So we have gotten this. Maybe with this now, let's go on with this. Okay, let's see this. No, I want to change this material. This is the material. You want to change it. You want to change it to another thing, you can just go here, click to wall, then look for another alternative. Well, maybe we want to use this. Let's use this and see how it works. Okay, let's go. I think it's hard to click, so you just make sure we bring it closer so that you paste it exactly where we want it to be. Okay, so you go here. So we have changed it. You can see it. It is now changed here. You can see it here. So what we do is you can increase it. You can increase it. You go here. So it just depends on how you want it. So you can go here and make it darker. Okay. Change the color to, you move here a little, go here a little. You can see it. So okay, so I'm okay with this. I'm just okay with it this way. It's okay. So we click on this, you can see what it's giving us. So if you want to change this color too, let's see if we have anything we can use on this. These are materials we have here. Okay. Okay. Let's allow this to be, you just click on it. Allow this material to be, make it more whiter, just a little bit. Increase the whiten and maybe you just low a little bit transparent, a little bit reflected. If you want to, this is transparent. If you want any material to be that transparent, you can use this. Then we leave it this way. We have gotten this, so we go here. So this material, this is the material. I think there are some walls too that took this material. So well, let's go on with what we have. So let's go to our window. So this window, you click on it. When you click on it, it's still showing you white this, so you haven't gotten it. So you allow it to come. Okay, now you click on this. Okay, so what we do is just right click, okay. This is the clear glass. You can see it's highlighting. So we have highlighted this. If it has shown that it has highlighted it, then maybe you want to change your glass. Okay. So the glass has highlighted. You can see it here. When it show you black here, you see that it has highlighted. This, when it's gray, you just know that you have changed them, you know. So this is it. Let's go to glass and see how we can we go here. Okay, we can see some mirror here. This is mirror. I think this is glass. This mirror. This mirror. China. This. But most of the time, I really do not like changing anything here. I'll just go here and change the color. Put the color this way, and sometimes I just go here and mirror it. When you put it as mirror, so you just make it look like a true glass mirror, So but sometimes if you can also try this, maybe use any of, if you want to change the color maybe to blue, whatever color you want, or you want to use this mirror, not using it here, you want to use this mirror, you can just use this, still, you know, click on it and drag it to the window and place it, and it will just place. So you can see it is mirror. You can see how mirror it is. You can see it. Every material that have glass has also automatically changed. You can see it. So that is it. You can see it. Every material that have mirror has automatically changed. So let's change this wall, the color. Just click on it. You can see it. So what we'll do is just go here, change the color. I want it to be more darker yellow. Just a little bit reflecting blue. So I love it this way. So you can see it. So this is how to, let's go to this white here. Okay, I think we have changed that to, we have done that. Okay, so let's go to this place. So go here. Okay, so let's the Armaco glass. You get it. This is, I think, so basically this is how, so you do yours, change your own while I do mine. In the next lecture we'll be going through objects. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood what we did today.